Hello friend, welcome to the second video of the pre-attack phase. Today we'll be stepping into the role of Mr. Elliot, a cybersecurity analyst that works for SIEM, a managed security service provider. Today we put on our blue team hat. We are going to recommend the monitoring tools for Econ Network. We are going to be deploying our SIEM and turning on our monitoring tools before we start simulating attacks. Let's get started. So the SIEM we are going to use for this hands-on is Splunk. Splunk Search Language SPL is robust and flexible, making it easy to filter, aggregate, and visualize data. The user interface is intuitive and the setup is straightforward. It also comes with out-of-the-box dashboards, reports, and visualizations, making it easier for users to start analyzing data quickly. Splunk provides real-time data indexing and search capabilities. Its alerting system is highly customizable, allowing for detailed alerts based on specific events or thresholds. Splunk has a large library of apps and add-ons that can extend its capabilities for use cases like security, IT operations, and business analytics. Splunk is highly scalable and can handle massive amounts of data, making it suitable for large enterprises. Splunk provides machine learning and AI-driven features, allowing for predictive analytics and anomaly detections. So we proceed. So let's get started by turning on our monitoring tools. First, you have to turn on our Splunk. I've already deployed Splunk and Sysmon. I've already forwarded event logs to my Splunk. So what I need to do now is to turn on the data injection. To turn on the data injection in Splunk, you click on the settings, go to data inputs, remove event log collections, click on it, then you click enable. Yeah, it's enabled. So Splunk is ready for log collections. So it's already monitoring the event activities in our system. It's ready for the attack simulation. So the next thing we are going to do is packet capture. We are going to make use of pfSense for the packet capture. pfSense has a provision for us to be able to capture packets. But before that, let's take a look at our network topology and where we should capture the packets. Okay, this is our network topology. We are going to capture the packets going in and out of this segmentation, the 10.0.1.1 segmentation. That's the eCall. So here is where we are going to place the packet capture in pfSense. So let's jump over to pfSense and turn on our packet capture. Now we are at pfSense. We're already logged in. This is my pfSense dashboard. I will leave a link to my blog where you can go through how to deploy both Splunk and the pfSense and forward your logs to Splunk after deploying Sysmon. So you click on diagnostics, you go down to packet capture, click on it, then you select the LAN, you select the eCall segments. This is where we want to capture all the packets going in and out. Now packet counts, you have to set it to 0. If you did set it to 0, once the count reaches 1,000 packets, it stops collecting. You have to make sure that your promiscuous mode is checked. Then every other thing should be left as default. To start your packet capture, you push the start button and scroll down. Once the traffic starts appearing here, you know that your packet capture is in progress. So to stop it, you click on stop. Once you click on stop, you have the option to download the captured packet, which you can download it, and later we will analyze the packet with Wireshark. So from the blue team, everything is done and ready. Our monitoring tools are up and running, waiting for us to start attack simulation. The next video, we jump over to red team, where we simulate attack, then use our tools to monitor the attack, after which we come and analyze them with both Splunk and Wireshark. So that's for it for this blue team aspect of the video.